Methuselah. Methuselah is the world's oldest tree. It is in the White Mountain of California. Methuselah is 4,789 years old. It is the oldest known individual tree in the world. Its exact location is currently undisclosed to the public as a protection against vandalism. Banyan tree. The great banyan tree in the Indian Botanical Garden in Howrah, West Bengal, has been crowned as the wildest shelter in the world. It is estimated as about 200 to 250 years old. The area occupied by the tree is about 14,478.44 square meters. The present crown of the tree has been circumference of 1.08 kilometers and the highest branch rises to 24.5 meters. It has at present 2,880 aerial roots reaching down to the ground. Mendocina redwood. Mendocina redwood tree in California, USA is the tallest living tree. It is about 367 feet and 6 inches tall. General Sherman. General Sherman in Sequoia National Park, California is the biggest living tree. Its height is about 83 meters and circumference at ground is about 31.1 meters. The tree is believed to be approximately 2,200 years old. Saguaro. The cacti saguaro is 12 meters in height. It grows in the deserts of Arizona, California and Mexico. It weighs up to 9 tons. Saguaros have a relatively long lifespan. They take up to 75 years to develop a sidearm. The spines on smaller saguaro grow rapidly, up to a millimeter per day. Baobab. Believed to be the weirdest looking tree. Baobab has bottle-shaped trunk which is used for storing water. It has a circumference of 47 meters and an average diameter of 15 meters. Baobabs store water inside the swollen trunk to 120,000 liters. It is the national tree of Madagascar. Ginkgo. The oldest species of tree is the ginkgo or maidenhair. The fossil leaves of this tree, which is about 160 million years old, have been found. Death cap. The death cap is the most deadly fungus. The color of the cap can be pale, yellowish or olive green. The death cap is native to Europe, where it is widespread. It is found from the southern coastal regions of Scandinavia. Raffia palm. Raffia palm is a plant which has the biggest leaf. Raffia palm have leaves that stretch as much as 25 meters long. The leaves can grow over 9 feet long and 6 feet wide. Raffia fibers have many uses, especially in the area of textiles. They flowering once and they're dying after the seeds are mature. Giant kelp. The longest seaweed giant kelp is around 60 meters in length. It is also the fastest growing plant in the sea and can grow 1 meter in a day. Kelp is large seaweeds belonging to the brown algae. There are about 30 different genera. Kelp grows in underwater. It requires nutrient-rich water below about 20 degrees centigrade. Hemlock. Hemlock is one of the world's most poisonous plants. Hemlock grows about 3 to 6 feet tall. Crushed leaves have a mouse-like odor. Hemlock grows on fertile, moist soils across the United States. The whole green plant is toxic at dosages of approximately 1% of body weight. Frequent urination may also occur. Aloe. The aloe is a plant with a waxy surface. It is used to prepare medicines. Of the 300 species of aloe, only a few were used traditionally as an herbal medicine. But the most popular species is aloe vera. It was and still is the most commonly used type of aloe. The gel found in the leaves is used for soothing minor burns, wounds, and various skin conditions. Dandelion. The flower of the dandelion closes at night and opens up during the day. The leaves are 5 to 25 centimeters long. The flower heads are 2 to 5 centimeters in diameter. The flower heads mature into a spherical cloaks containing many single-seeded fruits called acnes. Dandelion seeds are often dispersed by young children who often blow on or kick the clock. Dandelions are used as food plants by the larvae.